What's up? It's your boy. Welcome back to another vid. I know it's been a while. Don't crucify me. Chill, don't crucify me. It's been a while. I understand. We ain't do Chainsaw Man on the channel in like, I feel like it's been a month, but I don't want to guess because it's probably more than that. Nah, it's not more than that. But Chainsaw Man hasn't been on the channel in a while, and that's the point of this, of me saying that. But we back with this John. We gotta see what's going on. Last thing that happened, for real, we had the girl that's Aki's master teacher. She's trying to F on Denji, bro. Like, I don't know what's going on. I don't know why Denji is such a ladies magnet. We gotta figure out what's going on with that. That's crazy. This man is getting too much. He's getting too much. Alright? Beside all that, I hope y'all been good, bro. How y'all doing, bro? Any of y'all like passing classes? Y'all got some good grades in your report card? Y'all got a new job, a new promotion? Let me know what's going on with y'all lives, bro. Me personally, work just been drowning me with time. I couldn't come to make videos and stuff, so I didn't have no time. So now I'm doing them when I can. You feel me? If you know, you know, bro. Now we about to get straight into this video, bro, cause I'm excited to see what's going on. We also have other stuff on the channel. We have Blue Lock, Jujutsu Kaisen. We finishing that up. I know that John been on the channel for a while too. Like we well late. And when I say we, I mean me and my girl. We react to that John, and it's on Patreon too. Patreon, yes. Go hit that Patreon, bro. It's in the description right now. Like, just go to it, bro. It's literally free. It's free 99, bro. Free, bro. We got Chainsaw Man, Blue Lock, Jujutsu Kaisen. All of that's on there, bro. Free 99. Go check that joint out, bro. You don't believe me? Go see it for yourself. And without further ado, let's get straight into this episode of Chainsaw Man, man. Let's go. I forgot something. Now we're in business. Oh shit. I ain't do this in so long. Wait, so did they smash? Like, what's going on? Is this after?
And down.
Damn, she put it on him like that. Look, he can't even move.
Up you go.
No, what's crazy is that everybody said that she did this to everybody. Like, she kissed everybody that's like in that crew. So she's just the bop at this point. Like, she just take his shoes and walk away. Episode is called Gunfire, by the way. This is episode 8. This is the craziest drunk ever. Like, I've never seen somebody act like this when they drunk. It's a good portrayal of drunk, though. I'm not gonna lie. Did she take a shower in your crib, Aki? This her crib or Aki crib? I'm so confused. Oh, my fucking chat. My fault, chat. I don't know why Mappa is going crazy with this right now, but animation is crisp.
We didn't learn a damn thing about Miss Makima. Like, what even is her deal? But hey, what are you gonna do?
That was so real.
What's that?
I need some water.
What is this? Who's this? Who is this? This is not Maki. This is. Oh, this is the before. Oh shit. Wow, bro.
That's weird. Why is Denji here? This is my place, silly boy. You might be here because I brought you. Not sure.
The room's spinning.
Are they dragging this part?
What's going on?
Because this is where we stopped last time, and they started the whole thing over.
You're crazy about Miss Makima, aren't you?
I'm so dizzy.
You could do 1,000,000 times better than that selfish bitch. Open your eyes. Aki, too. Give up and stop fawning over her. Move on. Moo like cows.
He's scared as hell. You know what the fuck going on? She said, "What is Denji doing here?" Trying to fuck?
Wanna do it?
What the fuck is going on? What the fuck is going on? What the fuck is going? Yo, if y'all hear noises, like I said in the beginning, that's outside. They working on the streets and stuff. It's annoying though. Fuck?
Stick 'em up.
Chat, what's going on?
That's right. Good boy.
Should I be doing this? I was supposed to have my first kiss with Miss Makima, but this chick glue chunks all over that. Do I really want my first time to be with her too?
Low key, you want it though.
Yes.
It's not gonna happen, buddy. Sorry.
There we go. Your pants. Let's get them off, okay?
It's not gonna stop this freak shit.
Have something in your pocket. A Chupa Chups lollipop. And it's dirty. Denji. Denji. Hello? Are you okay? Would you like to get some fresh air?
Wait, what? What the fuck is happening? Yeah, that shit gotta be loud out there.
Supermarket. Wash it down with a glass of water before bed.
Tonight, I probably had the shittiest first kiss ever. So even if I kiss a bunch of girls from here on out, will they all taste like vomit?
What you gotta say about that, buddy?
Your mouth.
Yo, she's.
I doubt you'll ever forget how that vomit tasted. Don't worry, though. Life comes in a wide variety of flavors. With each passing day, you'll experience different ones. And every new experience will make it that much harder to recall that puke. For example, you just had your first indirect kiss. And it tastes
She's such a manipulator, bro. She's not slick. She's such a manipulator, bro. She trying to play like. She trying to make. Not Denji. Goddamn.
I really wanted to do that, but I'm sorry. I want Miss Makima to be my first.
Oh my gosh, bro.
So sex is gonna have to wait till I kill the Gundella.
He could have bombed right there, bro.
Good morning, Denji.
She's still drunk, nigga.
Hungry? 'Cause I am.
No way, she's still drunk.
People while you eat makes grub taste 1,000,000 times better.
Okay, so I drank my weight in alcohol last night. Now I'm blanking on everything. Did I happen to take advantage of you?
Think I'd do it with Gaxilla? I'm saving my first time for Miss Makima.
Thank God, that's a relief. My ass would be in jail for doing that with a minor super quick.
What? Wait, Miss Makima not a fucking minor? I mean, she's a minor?
You are strange personified. Most guys would have bailed out on a situation as awkward as this one.
Why? A stranger to leave and turn down a free breakfast.
So, you're serious about getting with Miss Makima?
Yes.
Yes.
Your
Ew.
character is as shitty as a septic tank.
Oh shit.
Wow.
Cool. Then I'll act as your matchmaker and help hook you guys up.
Yeah?
Totally. Why not? In fact, let's form a secret alliance, you and I. I'll work my wingwoman magic on you and Makima. And you help me lock down Aki.
What? She want Aki? Of course she do. Okay.
What do you like about him anyway?
He's hot.
Well... Sure. You're on. Let's alliance up.
Glad to have you aboard, fellow matchmaker. From this point on, we're colleagues and friends, too.
Talking about he's hot.
Breakfast once in a while. Bring your roommates with you.
What do you think of Miss Makima?
W alliance, W friends, W life, W everything. That was crazy though. They friends now, but they just shared first kiss shit. And she tried to fuck this nigga drunk. But they friends now.
How long do we have before we arrive in Kyoto?
Aki probably like, what the fuck?
30 minutes.
I'll eat at the station then.
Don't forget you have a 1 o'clock luncheon.
I'll just have to make sure I leave a little bit of room, won't I?
I need to see her
I
power.
can't think of anything worse than meeting with the Kyoto bigwigs. They're so intimidating. Refreshments are hardly refreshing when you can't relax. But last night's drinks, those were great.
It's so quiet. What the fuck? Why everybody put their head down? I hear guns. Wow! What the fuck is happening? What?
Team C, do you copy? We are a go.
Bro, what the fuck just happened? Makima just got shot in the fucking head on a train. Fake ass Denji. No, for real, what's going on though? That was fake. Makima not dead. She probably, I don't know what the fuck's happening. Are they looking for her? The gun devil? Or like, this music is creepy. This is so not Chainsaw Man. Oh, they trying to take him out. Oh, lady up in it too. Everybody got popped.
What was that?
Need you ask, oh idle-headed oaf? 'Twas a Taiko-drum.
There a festival?
Speak, harlot. Either you and Denji copulated yestereve or your life.
Denji is quite the gentleman when he wants to be. No lie.
I'm amazed you can stomach this joint's ramen. The taste don't bug you.
Who's he?
This ramen's mighty tasty to me.
Don't converse with me so casually, mortal.
You can't tell good food from bad.
What the
I guess
fuck?
it sort of figures. If your diet consists of nothing but crap from an early age, then you're bound to have crap taste when you're grown. Bad taste makes it hard to find happiness, too.
I am perfectly happy.
Do you want to leave?
Granddad had exquisite taste and a heart of gold. Take me to the best restaurants. So what if he was a Yakuza guy? He still had principles.
Granddad?
Necessary evil. Because that's what he was. He only killed a handful of women and children. And I know he liked kids well enough since he spoiled me rotten with the money he made from dealing. He was what you'd call a real Tokyoite.
Nigga, are y'all brothers, Denji?
Denji, you loved him as well, didn't you?
Alright, the fuck do you want?
What?
Know him?
What you should know. So the gun devil is after your heart.
Wow. Wow. What the fuck is going on? Cone. Woo! I love when he do this shit. Bro, everybody got shot in the fucking head.
Aki Hayakawa, you've put quite the abomination in my mouth this time. It's neither human nor devil.
What is he? Yo.
Go stop Himeno from bleeding out.
A spike?
What the fuck?
Fire!
3.
Oh, he's using the sword. Who is this nigga? What devil? What is he? You say he's not a human or a devil.
2.
Yo, stop using this.
1.
Gotta creep his shit off.
Curse! Finish it now!
0.
What? What
How's Himeno?
the hell did I just
She
see?
requires a medical practitioner.
Damn it. That bastard had a gun. How would it only be possible for devil hunters and cops to obtain
That was fire as shit though. I'm
But
sorry.
you should know. So the gun devil is after your heart.
First of all, we have to get Himeno to a
The
doctor.
cursed devil, huh? Stab someone with that oversized nail enough times and they die.
Who are you?
You've got some pretty impressive moves.
Where'd you come from? You in league with him?
What? Yeah, like this is so confusing. This nigga's just pulled. Is he alive?
Do you know why you lost?
Why?
Had my guard down, like all the way.
Better kill him this time then.
Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, I'll be scared as shit, Aki. He's dead already? No! We about to watch Aki just offed?
Those devil hunter suits are surprisingly durable. Don't underestimate him again.
Power help!
Aki needs you. Leave me and save him.
Hey, I can't follow
go. I will not.
Why?
Awful girl. I don't like her.
What? What the fuck is going on?
I'll give you everything that I've got in exchange. So, give me everything you've got too.
Is she about to die after this? Like, is that what's going on, bro?
Aki is still capable of crying.
Oh, wow.
People die so often in this field that most devil hunters don't have any tears left to shed. Not Aki, though.
Oh my
I
god.
remember thinking how odd he was, going off to bawl like a baby in private when the rookies he was looking after.
Who is this nigga? He's on fire! It's pissing me off. No.
Having someone care for you enough to cry like that must be nice.
Hey, little help here.
Why is he so fire? He actually putting up a... Who are you? What are you about to do? Both her arms are gone?
Best not die. Got that, Aki? Because when I finally go, you can cry for me.
Snake, swallow it.
Oh my fucking... Wow. She's dead! What the fuck is going on with this fucking anime? It's pissing me off. It's pissing me off, bro. What's going on? Did she just die? Her fucking ghost didn't do no, it did something, but that nigga was too tough. The man was too tough. What's going on? I didn't know he was gonna start losing niggas, bro. Especially, wow. I don't know what to say. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I don't know what to say. It's pissing me off. It's pissing me off. Episode 8 was insane, bro. Sorry. What? Aki about to die. Denji, everybody's shot in the head for some reason. They planned this attack from the jump. Like, there's no way. They've been watching them for a while. They seen where they was going, where they at. Everybody, every shooter was in place. Everybody was there. Everybody was ready. Holy shit, man. This episode pissed me off, bro. Like... Alright, bro. I'm gonna see the next episode. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn the post notifications on. Because we gotta see the fucking next episode. Turn the post notifications on. Like and comment. This is crazy. Peace, y'all. Thanks for watching.